Five friends on the tracks, UK to the north. Laughter and stories, we're bringing them forth. Green hills like paintings, through glass they just flew. Destination Scotland, with me and with you.